Before you run a single Terraform command, there's one step you cannot skip. And most beginners learn this the hard way. Terraform init downloads the provider plugins your configuration needs. Providers are the connectors to cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Without this step, Terraform has no idea how to communicate with your infrastructure. The exact version of each provider gets pinned in the log file, ensuring consistent environments across your team. The second job of init is setting up your backend, the place where Terraform stores its state file. By default, that's a local file on your machine, but in Teams you configure a remote backend like S3 or Terraform Cloud. Init establishes that connection so everyone works from the same shared state. Terraform init also fetches any modules your code references, whether from the public Terraform registry, a private registry, or a local path. Modules are reusable packages of configuration, and init ensures they're all downloaded before you begin. Everything lands in a hidden .terraform directory at your project root. A lock file called .terraform.lock.hcl pins exact provider versions. Always run init before plan or apply. Terraform will error out if you don't. Terraform init is your starting point. It downloads providers, configures the backend, and fetches modules so the rest of your workflow can run. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.